tempted. Am I tripping? 8467, right? That's 8367.
Photographer looking for people to do their job for free. Chicago. I'm a photographer, and since people are always looking for free shoots, I assume they must also do their job or provide their services for free. I'm looking to hire all types of people to do all sorts of jobs for me, as long as I do not have to pay anything. Just think, you will gain more experience, and I will put the word out for you and let everyone know what wonderful work you do. This opportunity will bring you a ton of unpaid work, but everyone will love you. So if you have a job or service you provide and will do it for free, please let me know, because I'm sure to have work for you and will hire you in a second. Feel free to email me with the service you can provide, when you can start, and please include references. I look forward to your free service. Hello H2Os and rollerbladers alike, welcome back to r/Choosing Beggars. I'm your guide Q, and what you just saw is a photographer that's just clearly fed up with being asked for free work, and can you really blame him? I mean, if you were a plumber, or you did pavement or construction or something like that, would people expect you to do your job for free? Fuck no. So why do people do that with artistic pursuits? It just doesn't make any sense, but let's look at these posts to provide more context for how choosy these beggars really are. Hi, I already have a story in mind that needs to be written right now and sits in a rough draft form. Can you take the rough draft and turn it into a novel? What do you mean by rough draft? Do you already have the story written and want revisions? Basically, can you do it? Do you have the time? I'm the idea guy. I can rough draft story after story. I just can't get into the bloody details. Is this a paid opportunity or just for experience? When does writing mean money? When you have bills to pay and a career to advance, and especially when you're doing an entire novel for someone you don't know. Good luck finding someone to write you a novel for free. Answer the question. I just did. No thank you. No, you're just too smart for your own good. What movie have paid you? What writings have you been paid for? You have to create something